Today is a special day. It is Leo's birthday. Mom is busy. She does not see me. Okay, everyone, now we bring the cake. Lily, what did you do? Look at the cake. My birthday cake is gone now. Go to your room now. Do not argue. Mom does not see me anymore now.
Lily, are you okay inside your room?
Dad, nobody remembered my birthday today.
Today was Lily's birthday, you remember that.
I need to fix this tonight for Lily. Everything must be perfect for Lily tonight.
Wow, that's the most amazing cake. I know, Mom. I feel so happy right now. You do? Well, let's light those candles then, sweetie. Mom is busy. She does not see me. I want hug too. I wait here. Okay, everyone. Now we bring the cake. Wait for me. I want to see cake. Careful, Lily. Slow down a little. Lily, what did you do? Look at the cake. My birthday cake is gone now. Mom, I said sorry. It was a mistake. Go to your room now. Do not argue. I did not want break the cake today. Mom is very angry. She not listen. Mom, I feel sad. My cake is gone. It is okay, Leo. I am here with you. Mom stayed with Leo, not with me. She did not come to see me today. Maybe she does not love me now. Today I show my project to class. Yeah. I worked very hard for many hours. Yeah. I want Mom to see and feel proud. Other kids go home with their parents. I walk alone with my small steps. Mom, look. This show is very funny. Yes, Leo, I like this show too. Mom does not see me anymore now. She only spends time with Leo now.
Lily, are you okay inside your room?
Yeah.
I feel something is not right tonight.
Dad, nobody remembered my birthday today.
I am so sorry, my sweet little girl.
Since Leo's birthday, Mom changed with me. She not hug me or talk to me.
You did nothing wrong, my dear Lily. I promise I am always here for you.
Today was Lily's birthday, you remember that.
Yes, I said happy birthday to her.
Do you remember Leo's birthday and cake?
Yes, Lily dropped it and I got angry.
She only wants her mom close again.
I feel so bad. I hurt my child. I need to fix this tonight for Lily.
Yes, we will make her feel loved.
This cake is for Lily. She deserves it.
Yes, we will make her very happy.
Everything must be perfect for Lily tonight.
She will feel special and loved again.
This time, everything is for my Lily.
Yes, tonight is her special moment.
I feel nervous, but I want to fix this. It will be okay. She loves you much. Happy birthday, my sweet Lily, my baby. What is this? Is this for me? I am so sorry. It was not your fault. I just missed you, Mom, every day. I missed you too.
We love you so much, dear Lily.
I blow candles. I feel very happy. Happy birthday again, my sweet Lily. I feel your love again. Thank you, Mom.
I am sorry. I will always love you.
Leo, this cake is for you. Take it. Thank you, Lily. I am very happy.
This is such a beautiful family moment. This night is special. We are together.
Yes, Mom. I feel so much love now. This is how family should always feel.
Yes, Dad. I feel safe and happy.
I like when we all sit together.
Today was hard, but now I feel good. My family loves me, I feel it now. Lily, do you want to play with me now? Yes, Leo, I feel happy playing with you. Dad, thank you for helping me yesterday.
I will always stand with you, my girl.
I learned something very important yesterday.
Yes, small things can hurt children deeply.
Sometimes we feel sad and feel alone. But love can come back again fast. We must talk and
Parents must listen to their children always. Small mistakes can hurt their hearts deeply.
Always support your child in hard moments. Your presence gives them strong confidence. Listen, care, and stay close to them.
thank you for watching our story today. We hope you learned something from this.
Like this video and share with friends. Write your thoughts in comments below. Subscribe for more stories like this. See you next time. Bye, everyone.